Hey guys!
It's your girl Zena.
It's your girl Riri.
And welcome back to
Heavenly Girls.
So what are we going to be doing in today's video?
So today's video, we'll be reviewing two gels.
The Eco Styler.
And we have the Soft and Silky.
So if you want to see how we achieve these amazing results, then
Keep on watching. Let's get curly with it.
So we're starting off with freshly washed curls, as you can see. Yeah, so before we get started, we're basically gonna describe to you what we're gonna be using today. So we're gonna be using the Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel. Yeah.
And we also have the Soft and Silky, which is a curl activator and moisturizer. Right.
Yes. So the Eco Styler contains vitamin E, fiber, and omega-3. It promotes hair growth, shines, nourishes, repairs, and grows. No flake, no tack, and ITH.
Well, the Soft and Silky Curl Activator and Moisturizer Gel, what it does is to moisturize curly and natural hair. It prevents frizz and breakage, and it's also lightweight, and it leaves your hair soft and silky. So let's find out.
So basically what we're going to be doing is dividing our hair into two sections.
Yeah.
So the left hand side is going to have the Eco Styler gel, and the right hand side is going to have the
Soft and Silky.
So let's get started.
Let's do it like this.
So our freshly washed curls are on the loose. So this is basically how our hair looks when it's like it's like
semi-dry. Let's see.
like
Yeah.
yours looks like 100% dry for some weird reason.
My hair's dry really fast.
Yeah, mine don't. So mine is like probably 80%.
Yeah, you can still feel that your
like
hair
it's down still,
yeah.
but it's not as wet as I want it. So I'm just gonna take this just so my t-shirt won't get wet. And put it around and re-wet it a little.
Yeah. You think I need to re-wet mine?
Yeah. Because the hair must be as wet as possible.
Okay.
So we have our clips, so we're gonna divide our hair into two sections. So just randomly part it down the middle.
So we're doing left side first, right?
So we're doing the left side first, which is the Eco Styler gel. So
You feel like you need more water?
before I start, I'm just gonna take my brush and just detangle my hair before I start applying products.
I don't even do that.
Just so I can have a smooth flow when I
Oh, when saying.
breaking the product through.
Well, I normally just take the product and use my finger and rake it through.
Right on time. So you're just gonna apply the product.
Thick.
Yeah.
Feel really thick. You can feel like it's moisturizing too. And
So
then,
I've never really used one product in my hair before.
yeah.
Like just a gel. Normally I'm just like. So we just really wanted to see how these products work on its own.
Yeah.
So that's why we didn't apply anything else. Just want to see how well it works by itself.
Yeah. Well, we know for sure the Eco Styler gel.
Works
Yeah. But we normally apply it with products.
with products.
Yeah. But however, the Soft and Silky,
We
it's
never
a,
used it before.
yeah, and it's a curl activator, so it should be okay without any product.
Yeah.
Should.
So we're kind of excited to see the results with the Eco Styler with no other product. But we never used the Soft and Silky curl gel before, so we're excited to see how that works by itself as well. So you see, my hair isn't as thick, as you can see, compared to her hair, so that's why we decided to do it's on both, because some people hair curls might be like hers and some might be like mine.
Yeah. And mine would definitely need more water.
Definitely. She also might use more gel than I may use. So that's the other thing. You should note in terms of your curl type.
Yeah.
So if you have hair like hers, if your hair is really thick, you're going to use more product. If your hair is thin like mine, you use less product.
Yeah. And less water as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm getting somewhere. Okay, I'm feeling it. The back definitely moisturized. It's just to get into the middle section. Here, that part. Which part feel like the most moisturized to you?
Right now?
Yeah.
People like these.
Everything? Just feel moisturized? Wait, your hair well,
Yeah,
so
it runs like thin.
Yeah.
Your hair really thick.
so my hair definitely using
way more
than expected. And it's gel and we don't have no moisturizer.
Nope.
So I better hope this one.
I'm really excited.
Yeah, me too. Wow.
So you guys are going to be getting our like honest review, honest like what is it called?
Gel.
Like we will be as surprised as you guys.
Yeah.
Because we literally never done this before.
So you see I'm applying water again because as my curl type is 3C and 4A, so definitely need to apply more water when I'm styling my hair.
You can see that like technically done. I'm just going to take some gel and just like slick down the edges one time.
Well, Gina is done. When it's slick at edges, you're done. I'm still trying to make sure that the gel is spread evenly through my hair. But it is feeling soft, I must say, and partially moisturized. So, just waiting. You see how much water I need to put?
It's about just and she really has to, because her hair is so thick, she really has to divide it into more sections than I did. I just had to probably do it in 2 sections.
Yeah. Ooh, different. Ooh. So this is my left side with the Eco Styler gel.
So moving on to the
Soft and silky.
excited about this part.
So we never tried this product and it's our first time. So
our friend actually recommended it.
Right.
She had it in her hair and we find her hair was looking like real nice and moisturized
Right,
and
and-
elongated.
Right. Her hair
So-
was looking really, really good. Her curls was popping.
It was on
Yeah.
point. So we just had to try it. So we're just gonna do this on the right hand side now. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. Detangle this side first.
I'm going to apply some water on this side because obviously my curls needed water, right? For the product to go through easily. So
My hair's still damp, so I won't. So I'm just gonna start applying product. It smells like the soft and silky gel I used to use when I was smaller.
really?
Yeah. I don't know if you remember that smell, but it
Oh
does.
yes,
yeah,
it does. Yeah.
Wow, so weird. So weird.
I thought I want to have a stronger scent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This isn't as thick as the Eco Styler. It's more like a normal gel. It's not as thick.
But it might be more like a sheen.
Probably. We shall see.
So I'm dividing my hair on the side into sections so I can apply the product easily. So. Okay.
Yeah. It's feeling
Wow.
it's feeling softer than this one was really thick. This one
Yeah.
kinda like lightweight and soft.
Soft,
like,
yeah. I actually feeling like my hair moist. becoming moist, moisturized, very easy. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
We shall decide after the results if we can use it by itself or
True.
probably use it with a moisturizer.
Yeah.
So
And what I admire about this product is actually reasonable.
very reasonable.
Yeah. It's like $13.
Yeah.
For this.
For the small.
Yeah. So, which is not bad.
Not bad at all.
Wow. Look at that, Dina.
Yeah. So this is the right side.
Wow. I shouldn't do this before though.
So I'm just gonna do my edges with this gel as well.
You done on edges? I don't started on this side.
That's happened
When you
when
hear
different
things.
curl types.
Yeah. So you see, not all curly hair is the same. So when you think a product might work for your hair because it works in somebody else's hair, no boo-boo. It don't happen so easily. Trial and error.
So I'm excited to see how this.
So this is the soft and silky side. I'm just giving it a little scrunch. So curls will come alive. And now I don't even have this.
It's just like slicking now, you know. So we're excited to see the results. So we're gonna like air dry. So we'll be back 2 hours later. Here we are.
5 years
Our
later.
hair took like forever to dry. We felt like, you know, when are we gonna come back here? So
Our honest review on the products.
So this is basically my results, her results, yeah.
What do you think about the Eco Styler?
So the Eco Styler. So this is the Eco Styler side. Yeah. It was really crunchy.
Yes,
Yeah.
I agree. Really crunchy. And
Less frizz.
less frizz, and it actually hold the curls together.
Yeah, like it clump your curls together. So if you're into the whole having a cast on your hair, you like that crunch. And if you're also into having less volume,
Yeah, true.
and frizz-free curls, then this is highly recommended for you.
Yeah, true.
So the
And it also elongated.
her curls.
Yeah.
So it all depends on your curl time and mine, but different mine.
A little
As you can see,
longer.
my two hair look the same. Hers looks completely different. This side is way more voluminous, and this side is way more elongated and longer.
Yeah. And as for the soft and silky gel curly, well, this side, as you can see, a lot of volume.
Way more volume.
And it's actually moisturized.
Moisturizing.
And this product, it didn't even need to use a lot of water. In my hair, it didn't need a lot of water. So I really like this side because the fact that you can just use one product and get this much volume and
It's really,
moisture.
like, soft
That is
and
really good.
moisturizing.
Yeah, it have a lot of well, not much frizz,
Yeah,
but
it's like frizz, but
yeah,
not much.
but the frizz give you a volume, so which is not bad.
Yeah, which
So-
is not bad. So we would say that we highly recommend the both. It's just
Yeah.
it all depends on what you like and what you prefer and how you want your curls to look. If you like volume, if you don't like volume,
Yeah.
if you like your curls crunchy, if you like it weightless, etc.
Yeah.
So if you like it crunchy, Eco. If you like it weightless and voluminous, then the soft and silky gel.
Yeah.
So
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like
comment,
and subscribe.
Bye.